Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out on this street here. Well, that's what it says on the sign back there. Something, I forget what the name of it was, but street. This is unlike any street I've ever seen. Look at this. I'm down in the ditch. What in the world? What's the best way? What's the best way? I mean, the road is gone. Look at this. The road is gone. Or this street, I should say. That's definitely what it said. But we're in a DUALSPORT, buddy. Where we're going, we don't need roads. Look at that. I've never seen a street ride like this. And this is not even in town. I can't tell it's a town. Well, it is paved right there. Paved this way and that way. Somebody's driveway there. South Desert Rose Place. This is rough, dude. I'm just out checking out some crazy roads out in here and seeing what I can find. Something like that, you never know what you're randomly going to run into. And I happen to find that. What is this? This is like a paved road up here. Holy mackerel. Now watch this. I'll show you. Yeah, there we go. East Chippewa Street is what this is. No county maintenance. In other words, when the roads go bad, they just go bad. I guess that was the end of the pavement where I turned there. Pretty crazy. Didn't have to make this video. I just thought I'm out here riding these roads. I just want to take you guys along. May run into something like that Chippewa Street. You never know. Maybe gawk around not paying attention and hit a big mud hole like this one here. No, I don't want to do that. Soft as some of this is when it rains, I don't know. I bet you it'd be a muddy mess. But there is people living out in here. On the CRS 300L today. I went ahead and put my 42 stock rear sprocket back on here because I'm going to do some longer pavement rides probably. So for pavement, definitely the 42. It's okay, but I like the stock a little better. A little higher gear to lower the RPMs at about 65 miles an hour and have lower RPMs. Plus, my speedo's right. I don't have that speedo DRD or whatever it is. Never seen the need for one. My goodness. These are some washed out roads. There's a big old rut. All this sand and junk versus in this low spot here. Look at this. Just to be careful. Fly down through there and hit that at 70. That would be rough. I don't know, it might be smooth at that speed. Whoa. I hope this goes straight on through. It looks like it does on the map. But then I see a bunch of trees down here. Maybe it does. Got a shipping container. I got me a shipping container and works so good. I can keep all three of my motorcycles in it, all of my tools, my little workshop set up in there. Getting it all wired with electric, got all that done. And got my air compressor all set up. Things where I can actually do something now. So in the RV living, got to have some place to store stuff. I don't like my bike sitting outside. Look at this road. Goodness gracious. Dude is washed out. Look at this here. I guarantee you, when it's monsooning, you won't come across this right here. It's eat up that way too. Crazy. Better have a Jeep if you live out here. That's rough. Better have a Jeep or a Toyota Tundra. Beat up as that thing is, looks like he's done some off-roading in it. Keep driving out this every day, it get kind of rough. Check that out. They got a heck of a wall around their place. Do not enter. For sale. Oh, where are we at now? Ramsey Road. My goodness. Well, that was a pretty cool little jog. We'll go up here and find another one. It's a nice day. Look at the rain. It's fixing to set in. It's not why I said rain, but the clouds. It's not raining yet. But it's supposed to be here in probably about 2 hours. I would imagine. These roads out here, these paved roads, are all 45 miles an hour, and some of them be really nice roads, but 45 miles an hour. Got a road here. No. Yep. Something. I guess there was a road. Kind of, sort of. Another one right here. Maybe. Yeah. Okay guys, just a short little video about dirt road and checking out that street back there. Kind of weird this named a street out there, and especially being that rough, ain't nobody going down it unless you're on a motorcycle. You could do it on side by side, but even be rough on that. Anyway, lots more videos to come. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Subscribe if you've not. Click the thumbs up, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Right on. What we got here? Just kind of another one of those washes. Real sandy stuff down in here too. Here we go.